Welcome. If you want to brighten up your Roblox experience and switch to light mode on your mobile device, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to change your Roblox theme to light mode quickly and easily. First, open the Roblox app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your settings. Once you're inside the app, look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see an icon with 3 dots. This is labeled More. Go ahead and tap on those 3 dots. This will open up the main menu where you can find all sorts of options to customize your Roblox experience. Next, from the menu, tap on Settings. This will take you to a new page with several different tabs and options. Here, you'll want to tap on Account Info. This is where you can adjust your personal details and account preferences. Now, scroll down until you see the section labeled Theme. This is where you can choose how Roblox looks on your device. Tap on the Theme option, and you'll see 2 choices, Dark and Light. To switch to light mode, simply select Light from the list. Once you've made your selection, the app will instantly switch to a brighter, cleaner look. Light mode is perfect if you prefer a more vibrant interface, especially during the day or in well-lit environments. That's all it takes. You've now changed your Roblox theme to light mode on mobile. If you ever want to switch back to dark mode, just repeat these steps and choose dark instead. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your new light mode and have fun exploring Roblox with a fresh, bright look. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to share it with your friends so they can customize their Roblox experience too.